There is a job requirement for Germany for HVC technicians and HVAC technicians, and 200 positions are vacant, and salary for this position is 2500 to 3000 euro per month, and the requirement for this job is degree or diploma in mechanical or electrical or refrigeration and air conditioning, and class B driving license is required, and German language skill is B2 level required. How to apply for these jobs? These are the contact numbers and email address where you can contact them and apply for this job.